Let me show you inside. I'm smiling and talking to you at the same time. I'm going to put the mask on now, okay? Okay, come on in. When you come in from the entrance here, you will see on your left side is a stairway leading to the other 3-bedroom upstairs. And then this side here is going to the living room, spacious living room. Follow me, please. You can see the beautiful chrome molding, recessed light, big window, make this whole entire room very bright. Even you turn off all the lights, it's still very bright. We have a fireplace in the in the living room here, beautiful hardwood floor, and an open kind of leading to this formal dining room. And then the sliding door can lead you to the backyard. Over 11,000 square feet entire lot size, and we are in the corner, premium lot size. We have a swimming pool in the back. Later on we can go to the backyard to check it out. And here we have a gourmet kitchen with beautiful appliances. Viking range here, granite countertop. You have a view over the backyard as well. An open concept to connect it to the breakfast nook, and also very bright family room here with a second fireplace. And you still have the entire view of the backyard. The feature of this home is that the homeowner spent over $100,000 throughout the past 10 years. The most recent one is up to this year. They still do the upgrading and maintenance. And you can see recessed lighting throughout. Modern contemporary kitchen. Let me point out that the main feature of the house is that the master bedroom is actually on the first floor, which is so convenient. For anyone who is looking for a 1-story home or a 2-story home, I'm hoping the master bedroom is downstairs. It's very rare nowadays. So we have this 2-story home. You still have your privacy, but at the same time you have master downstairs. You have the other sliding door, go to the backyard. Have your own backyard space here. Ensuite bath with dual sink, granite countertop, and it's a shower. Dual head, shower head, dual shower head. Okay, and we have the other feature is down the hallway. We have the other 3/4 bath. And here is the garage, 3-car garage. And then washer and dryer hookup is right here. Washer and dryer hookup, and then closet, and the cabinet space. Let's check out upstairs. Upstairs we have engineered wood flooring. Beautiful wrought iron stairway. Remodeled hallway bathroom with dual sinks as well, and shower over the tub. Each bedroom has its own ceiling fan and lighting fixture. Mirror closet door. And we have a junior bedroom here. Same thing. We have a ceiling fan, and all the windows are dual pane windows. We have a hallway cabinetry here. And this one here is a big bonus restroom and there's a bedroom as well. So as you can see, if we turn off all the lights in the house, entire house, you still have that natural light coming through this wonderful and contemporary remodel home. So I hope you can come to see this house in person. See you next one. Bye-bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay well. Bye.